Ava, look at all the ice cream. There's blue. There's yellow. Ava, what color do you like? Purple. How do you make ice cream?
I make it with milk.
Milk? I have a delivery for you. Wait here. Oh.
Will you help me make ice cream?
Yes! I'm really good at making ice cream.
We need eggs.
Eggs.
We need a bowl.
A bowl? My second delivery. Right here. A bowl.
Apron. Gloves.
Gloves. Oh. How do we make ice cream?
Milk.
Milk? Oh. Ah. Oh. 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 Ah. Ice cream.
Now, eggs. And chocolate.
Oh. Oh.
What's Joe doing?
Is that the pizza? But it's a ball.
It's not ready.
What do we do?
We have to roll the ball.
Now, can we cook the pizza?
No.
Aww.
Let's love sign. Cook. Cook. You sign. Cook. Good. Cook.
That pizza is not the prettiest pizza in Ireland.
We need vegetables and cheese.
Cheese! My next delivery. Wait here! Oh! Cheese.
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 Oh, thank you, Jack.
That's enough, yeah? Perfect. Good job.
So, the bus is working now.
Yeah,
But we still have to wash
Yeah.
the bus.
yeah.
Do you have another delivery for me?
Yes! Wait here. A bucket and a sponge.
Oh,
Too small?
yeah, older.
Don't worry, I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say Dizzy,
Dizzy,
Dazzy.
Hello, Doggy.
Hello, Jack.
Come on. Come on.
I know. Let's make a cake.
Cake.
What do we need to make a cake? Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say Dizzy, Dazzy, Day. Scoop a little bit of butter in there. think we need some chocolate for the cake. And we need another egg in there as well. What? Will you pour some milk in there for me? Only a little bit, small some. Oh, this is my granny's recipe. Your granny is gonna love this. Well, we've had a great day, but it's time to go home.
Yeah.
Bye.
Wait!
Wait.
We need one more thing for the perfect birthday party.
I'm betting.
Of course, I've one more delivery. A present. Wait here. Here, a bucket.
Joe, that bucket has a flower in it.
Huh?
That bucket has a flower in it.
Flower.
Yes, it does have a flower in it.
Hey, look up.
Don't worry, I know just what to do.
Sometimes we bring the perfect thing. But there's no need to worry if it's not the right delivery. Just say, Dizzy, Dazzy, Day.
Claire, what do you do with the bucket?
I want to put sand in the bucket.
Let's love sign. Sand. Sand. You sign. Sand. Good. Sand.
No, Joe. You put sand in the bucket with a spade.
Wait here. Oh. Here, a spade.
Joe.
No, Joe. You're thick.
Too big?
Yeah.
I know what to do.
Sometimes we bring the perfect thing. But there's no need to worry if it's not the right delivery. Just say, Dizzy, Dazzy, Day.
Now we're going to make a sand castle.
Hands up. Hands up. I couldn't.
Can you give me a high five? Yeah.
I couldn't.
Claire, we had to deliver 3 items. A bucket, a spade, and an ice cream.
Let's love sign. Ice cream. Ice cream. You sign. Ice cream. Good. Ice cream.
Would you like some ice cream?
Yes, please.
Oh, wait here.
Ice cream! Have some ice cream.
Ciao! Sam!
We've had a great day. Time to go home. Well, thank you for all your help.
Thank you.
Goodbye.
Bye,
We're gonna find some butter. Joe? We need butter.
Ah, my second delivery. Wait here.
Where has he gone now? Thank you, Joe, but not a cow. We need butter. Cows make milk.
Don't worry, I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say Dizzy,
Dazzy, Day. So we have to put it into little pieces, and then you're gonna try some? All in. Mix and mix and mix. Isn't it good? Joe, we need some eggs.
wait here.
Takes a bit of time, but then you get really tasty scones. What are you doing? We've got eggs everywhere. Look at all these eggs.
There you are, Ozzy. I'm making scones. They're great. It's time to eat.
Let's love sign. Eat. Eat. You sign. Eat. Good. Eat.
We have our scone dough all ready to go. So our next job, and Joe, you need to listen carefully too, okay?
Yes.
The next job is to roll out the scone dough, and then we're going to use a cutter to cut out our different little scones. Good idea. Joe, do you think you can help us?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. Julie, what do you think? You will do it together? Okay, let's give it a go. Here we go. Okay, give it a big roll.
I'd give it a like that as well.
Just
Yeah,
the same, okay.
I would do the same.
Right, thanks, Joe. Thanks very much. I don't know, does he think he knows what he's doing? Okay, and...
Don't
Yeah?
cut that now.
Just this bit, Joe?
Yeah.
Thanks, okay, thanks, Joe. Okay, right, I'll give that a good little dig, and there we go. And now, once we have our scones, we need a tray, Joe. Do you have a tray for me?
Yes, Donald, I have a tray for you.
Ah, perfect. Okay, we'll pop these on.
I made a lovely scone.
Yeah, Joe, don't eat it. Not yet, not yet. We have to cook it first.
All right.
Okay. Now, before they go in the oven, I want you to make sure to brush them with a little bit of milk and an egg. Now, I have a big brush. Julie, look at this. Do you see the brush? this is a brush, and we're going to use this to brush our scones. So will you help us? Let's help it. What do you think, Julie? These are now ready to go into the oven for about 15 minutes.
15 minutes? But I'm hungry now.
Well, Joe, you're just going to have to wait.
Oh, fine.
Sorry. He's going to have a bit of patience. But Julie, where's Joe? Where is he? Ah! There he is! Joe, hi!
Well, I've had a great day. Thank you for all your help.
Bye, Joe. You say bye. Bye-bye, Joe. Bye. Bye. Bye-bye. Yeah. Bye-bye.